We're back with our political analysts. We're going to get to them in a moment. You don't usually see Bernie Sanders crack jokes out there on the campaign trail, but he's been having fun with the Saturday Night Live spoof of his performance in the CNN presidential debate. In case you missed it, take a look at comic Seinfeld co-creator Larry David as Senator Bernie Sanders, a role he may have been born to play.
This first question is for everyone. Senator Sanders, some of your opponents believe regulating Wall Street is enough. What is your position on the big banks?
Not a fan of the banks. They trample on the middle class. They control Washington. And why do they chain all their pens to the desks? Who's trying to steal a pen from a bank?
All right, in just under a minute, millions of Americans will witness history. For the first time ever, the government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow the President of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So, if you're watching television or you're listening to the radio, you are about to hear it. We're told it will last just 30 seconds. Bernie, but your promise...
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jefferson County in northeastern Kansas, northeastern Shawnee County, southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas until 7 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles north of Topeka, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Meriden around 6:30 p.m. Hoyt around 6:35 p.m. Valley Falls and Denison around 6:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Welcome back. We're just now making some final technical arrangements to speak with candidate Hillary Clinton. While we do that, let's check in with John King. John, what are you looking at in the Magic Ball?
Anderson, I'll give you some Democratic numbers before you talk to the Democratic frontrunner in the state of Wisconsin right now. Remember, Bernie Sanders comes out of the weekend with some momentum. He's won 5 out of the last 6. And right now, the Marquette Law School poll shows Senator Sanders with a slight lead here, 49% to 45%. Now, that's within the polling margin of error, so you could call this a statistical tie. Although even within the Clinton campaign, they think Senator Sanders has a bit of momentum at the moment. And there have been some questions about how hard Hillary Clinton is willing to fight for Wisconsin. She was in New York State today, focusing on the state where she was senator, the state she calls home, although she did say, Anderson, she's heading back there for the weekend. So very interesting here. A fight for momentum. The delegate math still favors Hillary Clinton. But if Bernie Sanders can win Wisconsin, it'll give him a bit of a boost in the Democratic race.
Also, in New York, obviously, they're committing resources there and money there, the Clinton campaign that they probably would have liked to commit elsewhere.
That's possibly true. One other thing I want to show you from this Wisconsin poll is, you look, well, if she goes back this weekend, Bernie Sanders is now making the case, and he's going to New York as well. He says he'll fight in New York. He'd like a debate there, too. Bernie Sanders now, at least in Wisconsin, can make the case, Anderson, that he's the more electable Democrat in the fall. Look at these numbers from the Marquette Law poll. Versus Donald Trump, Bernie Sanders is up 19 points. Versus Ted Cruz in Wisconsin, Bernie Sanders is up 13 points. Versus John Kasich, Bernie Sanders is a statistical tie, but +2. Remember this, 19, 13, and 2. Now look at Hillary Clinton in this poll. She beats Donald Trump by 10 points, but she's in a tie with Ted Cruz.